This is a 15-inch rim that goes on a Dodge Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and it was at the junkyard for $31. And it had this black paint which was sprayed all over the whole white body of the vehicle. And I'm using a 15-minute stripper with a toothbrush. Now, I've applied several coats and I'm having pretty good luck getting it off. I want to take it off before it takes after the original silver. But as you can see, this approach works. Hopefully I'll be able to slip this toothbrush back in the family pile of used toothbrushes. No one will know the difference. Thanks for watching. Right down here you can see the Mercedes logo and the part number, I believe over here. It's a little close. Thank you. Bye-bye.